In its simplest sense, an acid, such as hydrochloric acid, reacting with a base, such as sodium hydroxide, strong acid, strong base, makes salt and water. In this case, sodium chloride and H2O. We always combine the cation with the anion in this double replacement type of reaction, right? The convention is we always try to write the positive ion first, H plus Cl minus, Na plus OH minus. Clearly it's not going to form HNa, since those are both positively charged and would repel each other, but it could form H plus OH minus by night known as water, and the other product would be sodium chloride. If instead of hydrochloric acid we use hydrobromic acid, it won't make sodium chloride, it will make sodium bromide, and the other product will still be water. If we're reacting hydrobromic acid with magnesium hydroxide, we're going to need two equivalents, since each molecule of magnesium hydroxide contains two hydroxide ions. And so this will form water. Looks like two molecules of water for each molecule that reacts. And it will form magnesium bromide. Notice we're not going to write MgBr, however, since magnesium, being in the second column, is +2. Bromides are -1. I always recommend to my first-year students that they write the charges above it to avoid careless errors, and then drop and switch. So you'd have a +1, a -1 there, a +2, a -1 there. Transpose them, giving you the +2 here, -1 for each one of those. This you could write H plus OH minus, but hey, it's water, so you're good to go. And then when you have the +2 and the -1 and we drop and switch, this tells us that we have MgBr2, not MgBr. Also, if you looked at MgBr, you should recognize that it makes no sense, since you would have a charged ion. +2 is not offset by 1, -1. You need two -1s to offset that +2 charge. Ionic compounds are always uncharged overall. Nitric acid would react with potassium hydroxide. Try to say the words to make potassium nitrate and water again. Some other useful ones to know could include that one. Do you know the names? Sulfuric. Hydrochloric, what's that? HCl. Tell me that one. Hydriodic acid, HI. HF, hydrofluoric acid. Notice it's F, not FL. That would be Florida. What's that? Lithium hydroxide, a strong base. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH, correct? CaOH2. Calcium is an alkaline earth metal, a +2 ion, not a +1 ion. There's a big one. Phosphoric acid, a triprotic acid.